Body believed to be that of social media influencer Slikianna allegedly found in sea floating. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and when we return we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Links 007 TV News understand that the body of a social media influencer, Slikianna, was found floating in the sea in Montego Bay, St. James. Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are now on the scene trying to remove the body. The details surrounding her death is still unknown at this time. However, there are unconfirmed reports that she had a gunshot wound to the head. A number of individuals have took to social media just in order to offer their condolences to her family and friends. It's not immediately clear whether her body was in the water for some time or whether the incident might have occurred last night. The police have not provided and issued a public statement just yet, as the investigation has just commenced. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.